I'm Sukriti Bharadwaj, Faculty Associate at Inspira Knowledge Campus. So today's session is about women in sports. Over the years, women have faced gender parity in the field of sports. To which Laura Burton, who is a researcher in the field of gender in sports, states that there are very few women in the leadership positions in the sports organization. In the all domains from interscholastic to intercollegiate to professional and international sports, women are really underrepresented in the field of sports. According to the research, only 5% of the female agents represent the major league in comparison to all certified agents. But let me shed some positive light on the brighter side of the coin. Women are reshaping the structure of the sports organization. They're building a pathway to pave their way up to the ladder in the million-dollar industry. For instance, Team USA sent more women than men in the 2016 Rio Games. And most interestingly, they came back home with more gold medals than men. Simone Biles, known as the third most decorated Olympian, with the 30 Olympic and the World Championship medals. Nita Ambani has been named in the list of 10 most influential women for 2020. She is the owner of the Mumbai Indians franchise, and she has also interest in most of the social development, sports development programs across the country. Serena and Venus Williams are redefining the meaning of sports by utilizing sports as a tool to raise awareness about the issues, the prevalent issues in the sports industry, and empowering the women. Moving on to the examples of the great Indian female athletes. Karnam Malleswari was the first woman to win a medal in the Olympics in 2000. Geeta Fogart was the first Indian wrestler to win a medal, the gold medal in the Commonwealth Games in 2010. Mary Kom, also known as Magnificent Mary, has been the only female Indian to be a 6-time world amateur champion, boxing champion, as well as she was the first woman to qualify in India in boxing for the Olympic Games, for the 2012 Summer Olympic Games. Saina Nehwal, who is the professional badminton athlete with 24 international titles, as well as she was the first Olympian to have a medal in Olympics. And she was also the former world #1. PV Sindhu, she was the first Indian to win a World Badminton Championship and also a first Indian to have a silver Olympic medal. These women are being the role models for the young female athletes. They are being vocal against the biases, the discrimination, integrity issues, and gender gap and pay gap in the sports industry. So if you as a woman believe that you can be a change agent in the society through sports, then be a part of this glamorous sports world as an athlete or as an administrator or as a researcher in the sports industry. Thank you and stay safe.